Hello everyone, I'm Vera. Welcome to Dongzhou Crystal. Now let's go. Dongzhou Crystal is a professional factory with making all kinds of crystal composites. The main products are fancy stone, silver stone, blackback stone. This is our raw material workshop. We use K9 crystal to make various shapes and size stones. After cutting into small pieces, we come to the next steps. Let's go to automatic workshop. We use the most advanced machines to make stone more shine and clear. After cutting, my workers will check raw stone quality strictly, then take them to coating workshop to make flooring. Have a look, please. We use high vacuum cleaning. We have at least 3 times checking to make sure stone must be shiny, clear, and clean. Okay, my dear friends, if you trust Dongzhou Company, welcome to contact our sales teams. Thanks for watching. Bye.